Class 10 example sum 6.27. The horizontal distance between the two buildings is 140 meter. So the angle of depression of the top of the first building when seen from the top of the second building. Let me take it as the first building. Let me take it as A and B. Here another building, the second building. Let me take it as CD. From the top of the second building, this is the horizontal line. Angle of depression means below the horizontal line. So the angle is, this is 30 degree. Top of the second building is 30 degree. If the height of the first building, is 60 meter, find the height of the second building. Here root 3 value is given. So the horizontal distance between the two buildings is 140 meter. Here also we have that distance, that is 140 meter. BD is equal to 140 means then A, let me take it as E. AE also 140. By this is the transversal condition like this. Internally opposite angles are equal by transversal. Internally opposite angles are equal by this angle is equal to 30 degree. So AB is equal to 60 means then ED is also 60. We want to find out what is CD. CD is equal to H, height of the second building. Here let AB be the first building and CD be the height of second building. Right? The horizontal distance is BD is equal to 140 and also AE is equal to 140. Here AB is equal to 60 and ED also the same distance. ED is also 60. Then what about CE? We want to find out what is CE, this portion. So in triangle, I take the triangle, smaller triangle AEC. In triangle AEC, this is the triangle of AEC. This is 140, this is AEC. This angle is 30 degree. See, opposite side only we have to find out opposite adjacent. Ratio of opposite and adjacent side is tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent side. Here tan theta is equal to, theta is 30 degree and opposite side is CE divided by the adjacent side is 140. We know the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to CE divided by 140. I take this 140 to this side. Therefore, CE is equal to 140 divided by root 3. In denominator we have root 3. So, multiple and divide by same root 3. We get 140 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now here root 3 value is 1.732 divided by 3. Now multiple this term. When we multiple this we get 24.248. Here we have 1 0. So here we have the point decimal divided by 3. 242.48 divided by 3. 242.48 is divided by 3 means 4 8s are 24. 80 means 240, right? Remainder is 2. Here we have decimal. Then we take it as 1 and then 4 3 8s are 24 and then 8 3 2s are 80 point. And if we divide this we get 6. 2 3s are 6, remainder 2. If we have already point we get 2 0. 6 3s are 18, right? And then it goes on. So here we have two decimal places means 80.83 because the third decimal is having 5. So that distance of CE is equal to 80.83 meter. Now we want to find out the distance of CD is equal to CE plus ED. CE is nothing but 80.83 plus ED is nothing but AB. ED ED is nothing but AB, that is 60. So we have to add that 60 is equal to 140.83 meter. Therefore the height of second building is 140.83 meter is the answer. Thank you, students.